Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, I want to talk about stockpiling your spices for your prepper pantry. Now, as you can see, this drawer is full. It is full. And I have 2 rows of spices. It is completely full, and we have all different kinds of spices. I think I have maybe 2 of each in this drawer just right here. Okay, and we have, I want to say there's like 25, 30 different spices in this drawer alone, maybe a little bit more. And then just above is a cabinet that I have with other spices, different kinds of oils, vinegars, sauces, okay, extracts. I have plenty of salt up there too, and here's some like minced garlic. Now over here I have some spices. I have oregano, I have parsley. Now these came from my own garden, but I dried them out. We have lavender, parsley, oregano, and basil. And I still have these growing in the garden now, and we have more that I have to go harvest. It's just, you know, you want to wait a little while before you start to harvest them and trim them back and stuff like that. But I want to, this discussion is extremely important because, like I've said in previous videos, your spices and the amount of spices and the type of spices that you have in your pantry is going to seriously step up your food game. I mean, there are no words, okay? Because when SHTF happens and you're stuck with plain old, just like rice and beans or pasta or just plain old food, you're gonna be wishing and hoping and praying that you had some oregano or that you had some parsley or some garlic or some minced onion, okay? Even some good like Indian spices like turmeric and cumin, okay, thyme. Basil is awesome. If you want to put some basil on some fresh tomatoes, wow, is it awesome. Okay, this right here is one of my favorites. You can get this at Aldi's. Sean and I put this in with chicken salad, chicken salad that comes in a can. We put this in with chicken salad with just a little bit of mayonnaise. It is literally the best tasting chicken salad you'll ever have in your life. I mean, it's so good. You really want to step up your game when it comes to your spices. Because a lot of people have left comments on every single one of my videos. And they say, you know, you got to have spices, have spices, have spices. Let me tell you. Not only do I cook, from scratch dinners every single night, okay? Here's a little known fact about me. I'm Italian. And here's a funny story, okay? There's just a little backstory on me, okay? A couple of years ago when my son Andrew was still in high school, because Andrew's 22 now. When he was in high school, he had one of his friends over, and his friend, his name is Carlos. And, oh, hang on, I'm cooking. We have a little bit of overflowage. Oh no! Shite. And I have the vent open on the lid too. Go figure. Oh well. Okay. So back to the story at hand. So the kids were watching me cook. And it was the funniest thing because I kept hearing Carlos going, what? What is she? What? And it was the funniest thing because I kept hearing him going, wow, what? What? It was just like that. And he was doing it like under his breath, but I could still hear him going, what? Wow, what? Like that. It was the funniest thing. And my son looks at him and he goes, what, Carlos? And he looks at my son and he said it loud enough for me to hear. And he goes, Andrew, your mom's like a bartender, but with spices. And he goes, what do you expect, Carlos? My mom's Italian. Like that. So just to let you guys know, I am loaded with spices. I always have been. This house is spice central. Okay, we've always been like this. But then again, in an Italian household, you're always going to find the best spices. From homegrown spices to obviously store-bought spices. Okay, that is the end of this video. I love you. I will see you in the next one. Stay safe. Bye.